Hi boys and girls. Today I wanted to try a little video to help you with partitioning rectangles. So this is journal page 206. If you'll open that, pull out your ruler, and you'll be ready to work along with me. The first direction on the math message says to use one square pattern block to partition the rectangle without any gaps, that means spaces, or overlaps. So every square that you make should lie down perfectly side by side. Now, each square that you make will be 1 inch by 1 inch. So the ruler is what you're going to use instead of a square pattern block. So let's see what you can come up with. If you lay your ruler down and you measure off 1 inch, that's going to put you a tick mark about right here and right here. Okay? Now, once we have those marked, you can use your ruler to draw a line down the middle. Now we also want that same size square, about 1 inch, so I'm going to estimate because I can't lay my ruler on your page, but you have a ruler, and if you will lay your ruler down and measure about 1 inch, you will be able to partition your rectangle into same size squares, just like that. Now this is a pretty rough drawing, but it gives you the idea. So look at the questions now. How many rows of squares? Well, there's 1 row, 2 rows, and 3 rows. So we have 3 rows of squares. How many squares in each row? So look at number 1. How many squares are in this row? I bet you can tell me. 2. And then it says, how many squares did you draw to cover the whole rectangle? So count with me how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares for the entire rectangle. Now, I want you to do the rest of these by yourself today. It says, partition each rectangle below into same size squares. Use the small square to help you. So you don't have to cut this out, but you could measure, and you want to use squares this same size to fill this shape without any overlaps and without any gaps in between. So do the same thing for number 2 with this size square. And then on number 3, you have a smaller square. This one looks to be like a centimeter. So switch that ruler around and see if the centimeter will work to help you measure out those squares. Good luck. Go ahead and do this page and 207, and let's see if you are partitioning experts by now.